and small brains focusing on phonography, not photography, phonography. Let's see what we have here. Eden cold show mounts, Arca-Style quick release plate, ULANZI, Shenzhen, made in China. I don't know why we are not able to produce these things anymore in Europe. Pocket phone tripod mount. Let's look inside. So inside we have a foamy material, which includes the mini tripod mount. It's all in aluminium. To figure out how does it work. Okay. Seems to be adjustable with this swivel. Two different heights. Cool, very sturdy. ULANZI ST003. As you can see, it is of the right size to be mounted on a small economic mini tripod like this. This is one from Joby. Cool. Well done, ULANZI.